Okay, well, welcome. Here we are to our apartment combination demo, day number 2. We started yesterday, and as you can see, we've ripped down, this was a kitchen and a closet, the wall between the kitchen and the bathroom next to it, the center wall, yay, which opens up this dining room, living room, dining room to the left, living room to the right. We have a pocket door going to the bedroom here. The closet comes out because we're actually pulling the shower bath over here to this side, and we'll put in a new closet. You can see actually what this final plan looks like because we've got it taped up to the wall so we know where we are. That's the demo. Most excited about having to resolve a problem. This is the master bedroom. We actually ripped down everything for the closet and around this chase wall because we actually have to open it up a little wider, which is exciting, as I almost fall over here. You can see up top where we've been able to take some of the wall back. So, it's exciting, unbelievable. Of course, we have the dumpster coming out today, and I think it'll help us a lot to have that because we'll need to probably do 2. This is the master bedroom, and I think that what we'll have actually today, because we can actually go into this wall, the wall where you see those buckets, is really going to have a big 6-foot pocket door that opens up into the family room, and the finished renovation of 3. There are 3 apartments that we're combining into one next door, is what we'll start moving into. But I thought it would be kind of fun to see the rubble. And oh my gosh, another major transformation in the making. Ciao for now.